Hey guys, Tom from Fit Station, here to show you another simple, very healthy, goes for a lot of meals, or you can feed a big family. In my case, I'm solo, so it'll give me some meals. And then I'll also utilize some of the chicken that I use here for some orange chicken that I make with the chicken, orange sauce, and rice. But the crock pot, main thing, let me show you what I put in it. First thing we use, yams. We're going to use the sauce that it comes in. This adds to a good base. We're going to use black beans. Okay, once again, adds to a good base, gives it some good protein. I'm going to add in some sweet corn, and keep in mind in these we're going to use the juices that it comes in for all of them. Now I know some people may say, oh well, there may not be 100% best juices or what have you, but it's not that bad really. But this will all give us the base. Juices in these cans for the liquid that goes into this, and it'll add flavor as well. I will tell you that carrots are one of the best things. They add a lot of flavor. Of course, we all know they're very healthy for you. And I'm also putting in peas. So needless to say, we've got a good variety of vegetables in here. We'll go ahead and mix all that stuff up. Again, this is going to give me food. Oh geez, probably be eating off of this for close to a week. Okay, you can see what we got in there. You can see we've got a fair amount of fluid. We're going to have to add some water. We're going to add in our chicken breasts. Now again, I use boneless chicken breasts. I like to have good high quality meat. Actually, I'm sorry, this one has bone. So, but that's fine. It's the keel and the breast. Wash your hands thoroughly all the time when you're dealing with meats and vegetables. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put that on cook, and we're going to let it cook for a day. Okay, so about this time tomorrow is when I'll start pulling it out and getting it ready. Okay, actually it'll all be ready. This time tomorrow I can start partaking. I'll be taking some of the chicken out and utilizing it for my orange chicken and rice. But this will all be ready to go. Just that simple, guys. Thanks for coming. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like, please subscribe.